What's going on, everybody? This Afro Think Tank. Black woman completely goes off on ex-MAGA. Ex-MAGA right now, if you notice on YouTube, they're walking around, right, on their apology tour. They're all trying to jump ship. And they're all pretending like, oh my God, I can't believe things are so messed up. I regret my third vote for Donald Trump. Listen, black people will never forgive you. We don't hear anything you saying right now because you didn't hear anything we were saying back then. And we do not believe you. We see what you white people do. Every time you guys go off on your damn cultural racist superiority freaking tantrum, right? And you do dumb shit and you F everything up, right? Then y'all always want to come back after you realize you F'd everything up. And now you're F'd up. Right? You didn't mean to F yourself up. What you mean is you didn't mean to F yourself up. You see, you didn't care what everybody else was getting. Y'all don't care about any of that stuff. But when it starts to affect you, that's when you care. So now is woe is me. It's like we're all supposed to be adults. We're all supposedly, supposedly we're supposed to have had a basic level of American education. The supposed greatest country in the world, the supposed richest country in the world with the most successful people. Everybody's the best. We the best. We Americans, we the best. But you, the best Americans, you white Americans, you great omnipotent white Europeans who are better than every group of people on the planet. You guys are so lucid. You guys are so lucid in your societies that you didn't realize that Donald Trump was a bad idea, despite the fact that he was a white man, somebody you comfortable with. You white women have always been second-class citizens in your communities. You pick the white man that you guys hate the most. Like white women hate Donald Trump is the architect of the white man that white women hate the most. You guys been fighting against the Donald Trump type of white person your entire biological existence. That is your clear and present danger and your enemy. Yet you support him, people like him, simply because you as a white woman and your ego is so big, there's no way you can have a black woman be in charge of you. Y'all so terrible. This is how terrible you white women are. You guys didn't even want a white woman over top. You picked Trump over Hillary. I mean, I know Hillary was, much to be desired, but you picked that over Hillary. White women, y'all did that, right? And then the black woman came along, and y'all know damn well that black woman did a good job. Just like that black woman at your job, who is your manager, your boss, does a good job and is efficient, right? And brings profit to the corporation. Just like those black teachers, they had no nonsense. Just like when you go to the Department of Motor Vehicles, DMV. Just like when you go in there, all those black people running, getting your license, getting your ID, getting your tags and title, they're efficient. Black women are efficient. They can do the job. You give them the job, they can do the job. You knew she could do the job. You knew in your head that black woman would do the job, and you knew that black woman probably would do a better job than all them white people you put in. You knew it, but you don't want anybody else to know it. You know it, because that's how your shit runs. That's how America runs. With those black women that y'all hate so much, that y'all say are so ghetto and so loud and so rude and so this and so that, because y'all don't know, right? That work in those corporations and companies that you work for that do better than you. While you flailing with your goddamn, your wings flapping and shit because you don't know what's going on, y'all go to that black woman. That's why y'all tell your children, the ones you raised to be racist, while they're trying to survive in the world, if something happens, go find a black woman. Because she'll protect you. She'll take care of you. She'll manage the situation. Or go find a black guy, because I'm not holding up, because we about that life too, right? But our black women are great managers. We are great leaders. We are great fighters. We are great warriors. We are also great managers. Our black women are also great managers, but they're just special. There's something about them. They're just really good at managing and keeping structure together, right? Right? That true black African feminist, strong feminist archetype, right? Right, is something that it seems like when inserted into your communities, it brings nothing but nutrition to your communities, right? But yet you guys don't want that. You guys want to wither away and die because you guys can't provide the nutrition necessary for you guys to thrive. That's the truth. And so now that you voted for him once like an idiot, you voted for him twice like an idiot, and then you voted for him 3 times like an idiot, now all of a sudden you see. And you're supposed to be an adult. Somehow you made it to 20, 30, 40 years old. You know how to cross the street. You know how, the red light and the green light and the yellow light. You know what that means. I hope you do. And we invented that for you, by the way. You're welcome, right? And you supposedly know all that, right? You know all these rules and regulations and laws. That's why you're so involved in politics, because you know what's going on, right? But somehow you put that person in charge after he said he was going to do that, after Project 2025 said it was going to do that, after the entire world said it was going to do that. But you was like, I'm not voting for that black woman. I'm not voting for a woman because a woman can't be in charge. Only a white man can be in charge. Only white men can be in charge. I only feel comfortable when white people are in charge. Well, how comfortable do you feel now? Because we ain't got nothing but white men in charge. And all the white women, they got to ride the coattails of them white men. Guess what? Them asses is getting fired. First, they got put on the front lines, right, to answer for all the shit that white supremacist is doing. Then they get fired. They get thrown under the bus. Everywhere, even Elaine Maxwell, the criminal one, thrown under the bus. But none of the other white men that were financing, paying for, that were participating in this mass global PDF file, freaking extracurricular activity. It seems like all of white humanity, when they get a few dollars in their pocket, like to participate in. Still, only the white woman, got sent to jail. That's all right though. Listen, y'all can cry all y'all want. You guys was the Tea Party. You guys wanted dumbass Sarah Palin, right? Dumbass Sarah, that's what you wanted. Y'all went from dumbass Ronald Reagan to dumbass George Bush to dumbass, y'all tried to get dumbass Sarah Palin, right? And then y'all got y'all ultimate goddamn character, the dumbest of the dumbest, stupidest, Donald J. Trump. You can't get no dumber than him. You can't find another candidate dumber than him. Y'all done hit rock bottom. All right, you shouldn't be allowed to vote, to be honest. We should have a whole nother we need to throw away this whole constitution and build another constitution, a real one, right? Based on humanity. And matter of fact, to vote, you should have to go take a test. You should have to be a qualified person to vote, because to be honest, you guys are not qualified to run anything. You're not qualified to run civilization. You're not qualified to run the human race. You ain't qualified to run shit, because you guys are the worst managers of humanity. Ever since you guys been in charge, you guys have been the worst managers of humanity. Terrible. You're fired. You need to be fired. You're being fired. You're being fired right now, just so you know. All you guys, HR, you motherfuckers gone. All right, just know that you guys are on your way out. No matter, you can gerrymander every goddamn state for all them 5 people that seem to control all of the Midwest. But them 5 people eventually gonna die. And then what you gonna do? Because y'all not even gonna be here to be able to do anything about it. Anyway, let's listen to this black woman cook. We not falling for it. You can add sob story, sound, music to the back of your confessions. No, we don't care. Because you didn't care back then. You didn't care 3 times. You didn't care for a decade. Now you care. Get the fuck out of here. Anyway, you guys tell me what you think in the comment section. Just Afro Think Tank. Learn some T-Tongue. I'm out.
Cut everybody's fucking mic since y'all want to act dumb. Y'all think that y'all are going to get a reward for realizing way too fucking late that y'all got us into some shit. We've been telling y'all the house was on fire. And 10 years later, y'all are now finally realizing that, damn, we fucked up. And what am I supposed to do with that fucking information? White women tears don't move me. Black people blood didn't move y'all. No, I'm not going for that shit. And I don't want to hear that we were in a call. I don't want to hear that we were brainwashed. We were all fucking brainwashed, okay? Do y'all think that white people are the only one with disabilities? Y'all think that white people are the only one raised in a conservative Christian household? I was taught to listen to a man. I was taught to obey a man. I was taught to submit to a man. I was taught that a man is supposed to provide for me, and I'm supposed to do whatever the fuck a man tells me to do, be abused by a man, and lie for the man. It's getting to the point where I kind of want to fight about it. I really do. I expect nothing from y'all except for to be stupid. I don't want to know what y'all heard when they said that he was a proven PDF and that he hangs out with PDFs. I was raised in a conservative Christian household. Everybody that was raised in a conservative Christian household was raised to protect PDFs. Yes, we were. We have the same fucking brain power. I was raised to be a fucking pick-me. I was raised to be homophobic, transphobic, all of that. We have the same fucking brains. Y'all don't get to get off scot-free with, I didn't know. You did know. You fucking knew. You chose. You made your fucking choice. I'm gonna get close so y'all can hear me. It's past political now. It's the fucking principle. We make up 13% of this country, and still we do right over 90% of the time and still get punished for it. Y'all figure it out. Y'all have the numbers. Do right. I want to see you work. There is a woman, an American woman, stuck in Dubai right now. Do something about that with your fucking tears. That's what I want to hear you talk about. I want to see you do something. And all the other color people who keep betraying us and keep not voting for us because we're too put together, too fucking qualified is basically what the fuck y'all saying. This is the white man's burden now, okay? James Tallarico, y'all figure it out, okay? Don't ask us for shit. Do y'all want to see some fucking unity? Everybody who's a part of me, get in the fucking house and don't come back out until I fucking say so. Watch this. Y'all won't get no fucking work out of us. This is divided. They're about to conquer y'all. Divide and conquer. They've divided us. Because y'all drew the line in the motherfucking sand. And we won't be crossing it. Y'all need to figure this out. Y'all don't want our fucking help. Y'all don't want our fucking voices. Y'all just had another fucking chance to get a black woman who's been speaking up for y'all. But y'all don't want our voices. We're too loud, too reckless, too ghettos. That's all I got for you. I don't have nothing for y'all but a bunch of fuck yous and figure it outs. Get my girl home. Get her home and then maybe we could talk. You want the cookie, fucking earn it. How about that? Lord, we need your peace. Lord, we need your joy. And the doors of the church are open.
Free Sudan! Boycott diamonds and gold! Free Sudan! Boycott diamonds and gold! We most definitely cannot forget about the people of Sudan!
Thanks for watching Afro Think Tank. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow me on Substack and Patreon for more content. Remember, it's Pan-Africanism or nothing.